It's Christmas time, 2009.
And a key for Jacob.
Wow. I don't know why he did. I don't think you were a good boy this year.
Yay!
You were better than last year, Jacob. You're still not a good boy by my standards.
Well,
but
when he saw Santa, he did pee in the store. Right in front of Santa.
Remember that, Jacob? You saw Santa Claus and you went and peed on a box? He remembers that. Just think about that.
You ready to open up your presents from Santa? Yes? What's in the stocking? Let's see. Not them yet. Nosy. Not this yet. Wait a minute. Ooh, look at that. Toys. Toys to destroy.
It's a big stocking.
Yeah.
It's a big stocking for such a little dog.
It's bigger than he is. You want me to open it? Am I feeling brave? Do you want Mommy to open it?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Let's open a box.
You want to open up one of the bags? Let's see what's in this.
Oh, look at that.
Toy. Well.
What's next?
What's next?
Come on, Mommy, what's next?
I want to see what's in this bag. There's nothing else in that bag. It's still in this bag. Monkey for the monkey? Monkey for the monkey. Yay. Ooh, chicken treats. Santa must know you love chicken. Chicken. And then, see, now he's walking away. He must know what's in the next bag.
Doggy shampoo.
Doggy shampoo. And wipes.
For
Santa
when
must
you...
know you have
Oh, you stink, Jacob. Santa knows. He knows everything. He likes that blue toy.
Order this shampoo. And it came with a frisbee.